everyone, I'm gonna tutorial. This is a tutorial how to make your phone a bit faster. So let's go. First, so my phone is kinda laggy because my mobiles and screen recorder is really lag. So yeah, just try it. First, go to your developer option, go down till here, low, go it to the lowest, like this 0.5x or off it. These three, just make it 0.5x, and then check this first GPU. I just watch it too, so don't just check this, but I recommend this. So, and then
play Clash of Clans.
Once a week, shut down your phone to regen lags. It will reboot your phone. So shut down.
Reboot reset yun,
I reset. Sorry. Just shut down once a week to your lag. Oh, sorry for that. It's raining.
Kaya mo na.
Sorry. So, guys, that, and if you have many widgets, get rid of them. Just maybe. Oh God, no. Wait. Okay. So and if you make this, so and show you. Download this app called Clean Master. Sorry for the rain. It's raining. Sorry for, or just do that what I'm freaking doing. Okay, it's kinda laggy. I recommend. Okay, sorry. Wait. So guys, I'm gonna cut it. Sorry for that. Guys, here we go. I'm here again. Sorry for the delay. A minute ago. God! Oh, here we go. God! Oh God, I'm gonna scream really. First, go to the junk files.
What the junk?
I already cleaned my to be not laggy. So go to the junk file and
go to the trash can and
so this it will start.
alright.
My cousin is so annoying. Sorry for that. Okay. Just wait it to be done. If it's done, okay, it's faster because I already, I already started before this video. So look that. So it's scanning for junk and gonna delete it. So if you just, you're gonna improve your phone a little bit faster. So wait for that to stop. So sorry, it's kinda slow because here we go. Clean here. Push the clean junk. Clean it. Push it. There. Gonna clean it. Oh God, thunderstorm. It's raining here. Oh, it's complete. I already cleaned it. Sorry for that. It's gonna swipe it's automatic gonna swipe the things in, and then boost your phone boost. Push this phone boost. Okay.
Go it down.
Here. Here, boost it. Push the boost button. Then it's gonna boost your...
Say bullshit.
Oh, I'm not saying bullshit. You're saying that.
Say bullshit.
Oh God, Yoshi! Oh! Oh! Sorry guys, it's the technical standby. Sorry! What the hell? Shut up! Oh God! Sorry for that, so annoying.
Bullshit.
It's not bullshit. Oh shit! Okay, alright. Sorry guys.
That's part of what
It's just... Oh shit! What the frick? So, I recommend to have push the antivirus to scan and then...
bullshit.
Oh, not say bullshit! Yes,
I
say
say bullshit.
bullshit! What the?
I say bullshit.
What the? What the hell? What the bloody hell? Okay.
I'm not say. You say.
Okay, guys. That
You
okay.
continue. Okay.
That's
So,
it.
Forget.
That's
forget.
it for now. I'm gonna see you next
later.
time. See you later. Bye.